Cartoons Toddler Network. Birds names. Today we are going to learn birds names. Peacock is a peacock. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. Now what will come is swan. S-W-A-N. Swan. It will go round and round, round and round. The swan is moving round and round. The next is coming a bat. Yes, it's a bat. B-A-T, bat. Now comes dove. D-O-V-E, dove. Look, it's flying. Now the dove is also be seen in light brown color. Yes, D-O-V-E, dove. Here comes wren. W-R-E-N, wren. Wren. It's so beautiful. Finches is called finches. How pretty is it? Here comes a bird on the sand called plover. P-L-O-V-E-R, plover. Look, this little plover is going under her mother. Now her mother will go away and you have to tell how many plovers, the little plovers are there. It's time to count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, there are 4. Here comes loons. It looks like a duck, but it's not a duck, it's a loon. Yeah. L-O-O-N-S, loons. Curlews. Look at its beak. It's a sharp beak. Here comes eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Eagle is flying high. Penguin. We all know about it. Penguin. And this is called a penguin walk. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Here comes spoonbill. Look at its beak. It's like a spoon. Shrike. S-H-R-I-K-E. Shrike. It's a shrike. Here comes hen. H-E-N. Hen. Osprey is flying down. Seems like it's going to find its prey. Osprey. Osprey. Here comes grebe. G-R-E-B-E. Grebe. Look at this bird. Look, it's running so fast. G-R-E-B-E. Ibis is red in color and white in color with black beak. It's called ibis. And look, it looks so pretty in red. It's called ibis. Heron. H-E-R-O-N, another bird. Heron. Now it's a nightjar. Look at its eyes. Nightjar. Here comes budgerigar. Budgerigar. Now presenting you parrots. Seems like all of us like them. Hey, yeah, parrots. Subscribe, like and share. And please watch my videos again and again. Thank you so much for watching.